Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Depop update stuck on waiting or failing to download in the App Store? Since Depop releases a new version every week, running an old build causes the most of the app's known issues. Here's how to force it through. First, go ahead and open the App Store and then tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner. Next, pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for Depop in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the progress saga is frozen, go to your home screen, go to Depop, tap and hold the Depop app icon, then tap pause download. Then tap it again and tap resume download to kickstart it. If it keeps failing, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure you have at least 1 GB of free storage, since updates fail silently when the storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps, then try the update. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data on the settings before you retry. So, all you've got to do is open App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage space, and that's it. Depop updates. Subscribe.